In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up single sign-on, or SSO, in the Eagle Eye Networks Cloud VMS. This tutorial is designed for both resellers and end users who want to boost security and simplify login access using their existing identity provider. Before we begin, make sure you're using the Professional or Enterprise edition of the Eagle Eye Cloud VMS, and that branding is enabled in your reseller account. Let's start in the reseller account. After logging in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile name. Then select Account Settings. If branding is enabled, you'll land on the Branding tab by default. If you don't see that tab, reach out to your Eagle Eye Network sales or support engineer to get it turned on. Once branding is enabled, refresh the page. You'll notice a new security tab has appeared in your account settings. That's where we'll configure the identity provider. Select the Security tab, and then select the Identity Provider tab. From here, you have two options. Use my own identity provider to sign in, single sign-on, which means all users including the reseller account will use single sign-on, and the reseller will be responsible for managing all users for each end-user account. If you choose this option, configure the Identity Provider Information, or IDP, that appears after you have made the selection and select Save Changes. The second option is Allow only end-user accounts to enable SSO. This means the reseller account will not use SSO, and each end-user account can have their own identity provider. After choosing this option, select Save Changes, then log into the end-user's account to complete the configuration. Let's do that now. Once you're logged into the end-user account, navigate to Account Settings, then to the Security tab, and find the Identity Provider section again. To enable SSO, choose Use my own identity provider to sign in. As soon as you select that, a few additional configuration fields will appear. Here, you'll enter the required details for your identity provider, whether that's Azure Active Directory, Okta, Google Cloud, or another supported option. If you'd like new users to be automatically added to the VMS when authenticated through your IDP, you can enable Create User if one does not exist. Just remember, even though the account will be created, permissions will still need to be assigned manually later on. Once everything's configured, log out and try logging back and using SSO. This will help confirm that everything's set up correctly and that users can access the system using their identity provider credentials. And that's it. You've successfully set up single sign-on for the Eagle Eye Cloud VMS. Thanks for watching.